much of a genuine game changer is this technology for the industry? Do you believe it could revolutionize food service in the same way that, I don't know, the combi oven did in the 1970s?
You just think from the perspective of an investor or even an operator. I just need to spend, say, maybe 10,000, 20,000 on this piece of equipment. And when my lease runs out, I said, okay, I'm done with this place. I want to move to another location. I just plug and then pack everything up, and I move to another location. You don't need to tear down your fans and stuff like that.
I'm working with several hotels in all South America. Ventilation system, the hood and the fire extinguisher system is more expensive. It's the double of the customer invest in cooking equipment. Don't make sense.
How can Ventless Cooking Equipment offer operators additional opportunities?
You can do the kitchen islands, you can bring those action stations out in front, and you can handle that extra demand for that lunchtime bewitching hour or that dinner time crunch.
I think the main thing in our market of workplace dining is bringing fresh food opportunities up to areas where you can't normally do full ventilation. Augmenting the menu, creating diversity in concepts, spreading it throughout the building in various different areas. I think the dish room is really a huge issue for us, and we've been specifying ventless dish equipment for a long, long time.
Are there energy efficiency gains to be had from ventless as well?
Incredible efficiency gains. If you look, all the ventless is going to be electric. You can't have gas. If you have gas, it's going to be burned as your fuel. It's got to have a Type 1 hood.
You can save labor, energy, and helps the environment as well.
But because of the cost of gas, which is still so much cheaper than electricity, Asia will take some more time to actually have that full conversion to electricity.
From your experience, how receptive and how open is the wider industry and the operators, your clients, to new technology in the kitchen?
Our clients are looking for change and innovation and cutting edge, and also finding solutions to their actual problems in the field. So there's no doubt that the ventless cooking technology offers a lot of that.
It's definitely requires a lot of education and marketing.
I'd just like to challenge the ventless manufacturing community. What are we going to see in 15 years? Are we going to see a whole ventless cooking suite?
I think they exist now, but it's the constant innovation, and I can guarantee whether it's looking at induction, you look at the combi ovens, there's all kinds of other opportunities to make the kitchen work so there are no menu limitations, and you can essentially go anywhere and not be restricted by overhead hoods.